Hey everyone, so today I have a fun unboxing for the springtime. These are jewelry pieces from Cleef, and this is a bracelet and a necklace, so I'm so excited to open these with you all. And these are from Koi bags. They are incredible. I've been working with them for such a long time. So you can use my code Angela15 for 15% off their website. I'll leave them linked down below if you're interested. And now let's just jump into the exciting part. I love jewelry, so I'm going to start off with the necklace. This is what the beautiful box looks like, and these are really in style right now, but I also think that they're timeless and classy forever. So it comes in beautiful packaging, and then it has the pale green box, and you open it up. Beautiful. I got the signature 4-leaf clover mother of pearl necklace, and I will make sure to add some more close-ups so you can really see the quality. So they have tons of different colors if you're interested in a different metal like silver, or if you want, you know, a black one, green one. There's so many different ones, but I am always wearing white, so I thought this would match with a lot of my outfits. So let me put it on for you guys. I noticed that there's different clasp options for short versus long, but I feel like this is a perfect length. Look at that. Look how good it looks. I am in love. I'm gonna get so much use out of this, and you can always layer it with another necklace too if you wanted to. So I'm gonna sit closer to the camera. So this is just stunning. Wow. Beautiful and elegant, and I've been wanting this too. So this is the necklace. Now let's move on to the bracelet. I've been trying to be better about wearing little like arm candy bracelets each day, because I used to be so bad about wearing bracelets, but I think they really make an outfit. So it has the same box, and then beautiful green, and this is the bracelet I got. So this one's slightly different. This is the gold 4-leaf clover. I could have gotten the matching white, but I love gold bracelets and I felt like it would go with every single outfit. So let me show you what this looks like. It is so stunning. It's really shiny too. Like, you can really see the quality of the bracelets. So it has 5 of the clovers on it. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can tell that this will last you, these pieces will last you a very long time. They're not going to tarnish on you. And let me put this bracelet on. All right, so I have the bracelet on. It is simple and beautiful. And I love the fit. It's really not too big. Like, I was worried about that. It just goes back a little bit, but like, it is not too big at all. It's really the perfect size for my wrist. And once again, you can layer more bracelets with this, but I do still think they go incredible together. So let me show you some close-up clips of these pieces, and I highly recommend checking out their website. If you are interested, don't forget to use my code Angela15 for 15% off. And yeah, so I think this jewelry will not tarnish on you. It will last you a very long time, and it can be dressed up or down. So it's great for every day, or if you have an event to go to. And man, it's really gorgeous in person, shiny, and such high quality. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this little jewelry unboxing as much as I did. This was a lot of fun, And definitely go get yourself these pieces for spring and summer coming up. But thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I will see you all next time. Bye, guys.